just fell in there. Where is it? There it is. Oh man, oh man. Have this much fun. Hey, where are you gonna have this much fun? So, beautiful. Now that I know that, sweet. So, we have the wire out, and I don't know if I want to take that out any further yet. I do, but I don't know how. I'll leave that for like that right now. Having that wire out of there means that we will be able to get in and wash with Crud Cutter and water and everything else right in here, going down. And in here, I got to get this off. I'm looking for the screw for that. It's right there. It's right there. Let me show you. The screw I'm looking at is right there. Beautiful. It's loose. Now that may be a pin. You know what I'm looking for, don't you? My magnet. Is it on the table? I don't know. Let's see what I can do here. It's come loose, but I can't actually get it out. I guess I could rotate it and see if it'll fall out. There's a dull end. It came out. There it is. There it is. Beautiful. There's the counterweight. Excellent. A little bit of grunge on the outside, especially at the, yikes, especially at the yuck. Anyway, so we're getting there. We got that out of there. That's out of the way for now. I don't want to break that light. Move that over there. That goes with that. Move some of my towels out of the way. They're getting in the way. Don't mind me. So we're going to be able to get there and get in there and clean. That's the bottom line. I'd like to get that off. See, I don't know if that has to be set. I'd love to loosen it and take it off right now. Same as for that. Oh, it widened it just enough on that one. And on that one. Oh, baby. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. See a bunch of gunk there. There's lots of gunk there. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. That dirt's been hiding out here for 70 years. Indeed. So this is good, my friends. We're going to be able to get in here, do a bang-up job, getting into all the underneath parts that aren't normally accessible, even if you think of them, like right under that stuff there. Crud cutter is going to come into play a lot here. That looks like a rubber. Oh, that's a rubber grommet for the electric cord. So good we found that. But we never see that, do we? Beautiful. There's the worm gear down there. This thing is really going to be able to get clean and restored now, which it's developed into. When I first started, it was just, check the motor and a few things like that. Where's my, there they are, this thing come off. The nerve of he. Okay. We'll stop there again. Thanks for your patience. Please subscribe.